Hey, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. This is Ramesh. I'm a PC technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download drivers on your Windows 11 operating system. Yes guys, this is super easy and quick tutorial on how to download and install any drivers on your Windows 11 operating system. So before jumping to the tutorial, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Guys, I need your support. Okay, let's get started. As a first step, you have to open the device manager. So device manager will help you to update or install or uninstall the drivers for you. Okay, let's open the device manager by right clicking on the start icon or Windows icon. Then you will find device manager, or you can open the device manager just by searching on the Windows search bar. Search for device manager. You'll find the device manager under best match results. Click on that. Now we have opened the device manager. Here you can see what are the all drivers categories we have installed. For display adapters we have installed this driver, and for universal serial bus the USB drivers are found here. So like this you can expand the all drivers by clicking the arrow in the left. Guys, these are the drivers I have installed, but if you want to update these drivers, for example I want to update the sound and video game controllers, that means the sound drivers, just right click on the driver and select properties. There, go to the driver. There you will find the driver date. So this is the date which will show you is installed on your system. So if it is very old, then hit on the update drive. Then there will be having two options. You can search automatically drivers on the internet, but you need to connect internet. To do that, just click on the search automatically for drivers. There you will find the drivers will install for you once it finished. Or if you don't have internet, click on browse my computer for drivers. There you can manually download the drivers from the internet and go to the browse and select the file and update here. But even if you don't able to download the drivers, no worries, just click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on a computer, and there you'll be having one or more listed drivers for the category. Select the latest one and hit next and click on S to install and close the window. Guys, this is how we can easily update any drivers by using the device manager on Windows 11. And if you want to update other drivers like network adapters, just right click and select update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. Guys, please wait. If you want to update all these drivers in single click, I have another solution. Just watch the above video which showing in the link, or check my video description. There I have provided the another video link that will help you to update the all necessary drivers in single click by using third-party website for free. That's it guys. This was the video on how to download and install any drivers on Windows 11 operating system. Also how to update the drivers on Windows 11 operating systems. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, I will meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.